Okay, so here we have to find the distance between these 2 points, -3, -6, and 2, 4. So to use the distance formula, it is the difference in the 2x coordinates squared plus the distance of the 2y coordinates squared, and then take the square root of the sum of those two things. And so if we plug in our values, our 2x coordinates are, let's say, 2 and -3, so we just subtract each other. And the 2y coordinates are 4 and -6, so we subtract those. Here, 2 minus -3, that's 2 plus 3, which is 5. 4 minus -6, 4 plus 6, which is 10. And so we have 5 squared plus 10 squared. 5 squared is 25, 10 squared is 100. So we have 125 under the square root sign. And to simplify this, we can break 125 up into its prime factors, which is 5 times 5 times 5. And we see that we have 5 times 5, which is 5 squared. The square root of 5 squared is just 5, so we can essentially bring the 5 out into the front. And so our simplified answer for the distance is 5 times the square root of 5. And here's kind of a geometric or on a graph what it looks like. Here's our 2 points, -3, -6, and 2, 4. You can see that we can form a right triangle with the hypotenuse being the distance between the points. And you see the bottom here is 5 units. From -3 to 2, that's 5 units. The distance difference in the y coordinates is 4 to -6, so it's 10 units. And you can see that's what we have in our formula. We have 5 squared plus 10 squared, 5 squared plus 10 squared equals the hypotenuse squared. And so the hypotenuse is the square root of 125, or 5 root 5.